Hello, what's up mga kabalyan? For today's video, we will be explaining you kung ano po yung charter change through People's Initiative. So, from 1987 Constitution, sabi nga, ayon nga ng 1987 Constitutions, is kailangan po natin ng tatlong pamamaraan bago i-amend ang isang batas. So, una is through CONAS, at saka People's Initiative. So, the Congress in the first week of December said, the Speaker, Martin Romualdez, said that they will be changing the Philippine Constitution of 1987 since today is 36 years old. This coming February 2, it will turn into 37 years old. So, 37 years old na po ang batas na naipasa ng 1987 Constitution. So, sabi nila is through People's Initiative. So, bago nyo malaman ang People's Initiative, mayroon tayong tinatawag na CONCON or Constitutional Convention, at saka CONAS, Constitutional Assembly, at saka People's Initiative. So, three ways to amend the Philippine Constitution. So, ang ginamit nila is People's Initiative. So, as you noted, may mga nagpapapirma from 1st District, 2nd District, and 3rd District sa Buanga del Norte. Ngunit, yung iba, baka hindi na-explain sa inyo. Ang charter change, ayon nga sa nag-propose sa Congress, si Representative Barbers, is this is the way to become more suitable. So, ibig sabihin, ilang ipahaom sa atong bag-o na karon nga mga lakang. So, una nilang gi-point is ang ato ang economic provision. So, kailangan daw mabago yung economic provision. So, ano ba yung nandoon kasi sa una? So, kailangan kasi, kapag mga investors pupunta sa ating bansa, dapat majority of stock ownership or shareholders is a Filipino citizen. Yun po yung sinasabi ayon sa mga research na nalalaman ko. So, ngayon, gusto nilang baguhin yan. Bigyan nila ng pagkakataon tulad ng ibang bansa. So, yung iba naman, ng mga congressman, like for example, Representative Idzi Lagman of Albay, said that, no, di kailangan baguhin. Tama yan. Kasi kung ano yung gusto ng taong bayan. Sabi naman ng Senate, it's more difficult to pass the amendments of the 1987 Constitution through People's Initiative in the Senate, in the upper house, because a lot of senators opposing, like Cynthia Villar, Aquilino Coco Pimentel, said that kapag i-amend, gusto niya yung federalism. At kilala naman natin si Coco Pimentel, yung tatay niya, si Nini, the father of Local Government Code or the RA Local Code 7160, na they want to pursue through federalism. So, iba po rin yung federalism. Kasi may problema din dyan. So, ano ba yung People's Initiative? People's Initiative said that every representatives in the districts, at least 3% na kayang pumirma. And for the total registered voters, for the whole Philippines, meron po tayong, I think, 68 million voters, 12% of that para magkakaroon na ng People's Initiative. Ibig sabihin, the people was agreed. So, kaya sa 1st District, 2nd District, and 3rd District, mayroon na ngayong mga form na kailangan pirmahan. Pero dapat alam nyo. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng charter change. Baguhin ang Constitution. Sabi nila yung provision ng economics sa business entity, i-amend nila yon. At saka gawin nila, di natin alam kung ano yung porsyento na magkakaroon ng makapag-akit ng mga investors from different countries, businessmen, to go to the Philippines and put their business and put their share of stocks here in our country. So, on the other side, ino-oppose kasi nila ito dahil sabi nila, hindi, kasi Pilipino tayo, kailangan tayo yung mas malaki yung shares natin. So, yun. Kaya, pag may mga pipirma dyan, huwag sabihin ninyo na hindi po yan ayuda. So, dili na ayuda. Gusto nila nga ipahaom lang kuno ang atuang balaod kay mag-30 city na katuig. So, I hope na mo'y gamay nga nahibawan, and if you want another explanations, just comment below in my post, or gusto nyong may papatakol tayo sa mga susunod na video, is research natin and we will give way para po sa inyo. At kung may mga mali sa mga sinasabi ko, please comment na lang para po aking research, aaminin ko kung may nagkakamali. Pero sigurado ako na ito po mula po ng 1987 Constitution, mula ni President Cory Aquino, nung sumunod na presidente, nagsimula nang sinasabi na magkakaroon ng bagong provision ng economics at saka iba-iba dyan sa issue ng peace and orders, but until now, wala pa po. I hope mangyari man ito, hindi mangyari, Pilipino pa rin tayo. So thank you so much for watching mga kabalyan, and then I hope you'll be still ready for the other videos na mga learning videos or educational purpose only natin. Bago kayo pipirma, alam ninyo kung ano yung pinipirma nyo. That is the very important, being a Filipino citizen. Once again, thank you for watching mga kabalyan, and have a good day.